In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear ChatGPT history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly remove all your past conversations in a safe, intentional way. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ChatGPT. This is helpful if you don't have the site bookmarked. When the results appear, take a moment to make sure you're heading to the official ChatGPT website. Look for the correct domain, a secure padlock icon in your address bar, and avoid sponsored results that don't clearly point to the official site. Click the correct URL to open ChatGPT. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see an option to sign in on the landing page. Go ahead and click Sign In. Use your usual login method to access your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly on your chat interface and can continue from there. Once you're in, find your profile icon. Depending on your device and layout, it's typically in the bottom left corner on desktop or near the top right area in some interfaces. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps account-related preferences and privacy controls. If you don't see settings right away, a small gear icon often represents it. Inside Settings, navigate to Data Controls. This section focuses on how your conversations and related data are managed. It's the right place to go when you want to clear your chat history from the account. Next to the option labeled Delete All Chats, click Delete All. This action removes all your conversations from your account, across devices, not just from your current browser. Keep in mind that this is a sweeping change. It's designed for when you want a fresh start or need to clear sensitive threads in one go. It's different from deleting a single conversation from the sidebar, and it cannot be undone. A confirmation prompt will appear so you can double-check your choice. When you're ready, select Confirm Deletion. The system will process your request, and your chat list will be cleared. If you still see old threads, give it a moment and refresh the page to see the updated view. That's it. You've cleared your ChatGPT history. As a quick recap, open ChatGPT, sign in, go to your profile menu, open Settings, head to Data Controls, delete all chats, and confirm. Use this process anytime you want a clean slate, and remember to review what you're deleting before you confirm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.